Hey, let me show you how you can insert this memory card into your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So first of all, you have to prepare this SIM tool and you have to locate the SIM slot. So it's just right here at the top. Now we have to input this SIM tool inside this and press on it gently. Now the SIM slot actually pops up and we have to grab with the fingernails, gently pull it towards us. And now if you want to input this memory card, you have to actually rotate your slot. On the reverse you can find information that you can input the microSD card, and you have to input it in this position. There we go. So we have to get these gold pins of the SD card at the top. When you input it correctly, you can actually find that this is completely flat. The memory card doesn't come over this surface. So now to put it back correctly, grab your phone and input it in this position. Just like this. Now press on it with this fingernail and now it is inside. And that's how it looks. Right now please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.